How can we meet our energy needs without harming our environment? Solar and wind power will be a big part of the solution. But most energy experts agree we'll still need to tap our abundant supplies of coal and other carbon-based fuels. So how do we do that and protect the environment at the same time? By using a clean energy technology we call gasification.
This is an incredibly high-tech operation. We are taking the coal and we are actually breaking the chemical bonds. We don't burn coal, we react the coal. And we remove all the particulate matter, all the ash, all the dust. We can remove the sulfurs, the mercuries.
You can remove all those contaminants from the gas that you make through gasification, and then you make it very clean. The gasifier itself has really no emissions.
Here's a conventional sulfur recovery unit where we are converting hydrogen sulfide to pure elemental sulfur, and basically it's an impurity that in an old conventional coal-fired plant would be going straight up a stack and into the air we breathe. Other equipment behind me is for water cleanup. So again, very high environmental standards that gasification can reach.
One of the most important environmental issues facing our world right now is greenhouse gas emissions. So you can't talk about gasification and coal and carbon without talking about CO2. Gasification inherently captures CO2.
There is technology available to take that carbon dioxide, and rather than allow it to get into the atmosphere, we can put it into the ground so that we mitigate the issues of climate change. The gasification process actually makes it easier to capture the CO2.
Gasification technology supports our nation's effort to safeguard the environment. But today, over 50% of our power comes from coal-burning plants, many built over half a century ago. Now, we can replace them with an efficient, clean energy alternative.
It certainly made sense to us that we would look to a cutting-edge, state-of-the-art gasification technology to replace those megawatts. When you look at the emissions profile of the gasification plant, it's just, incredible. Much lower emissions than what we would have with a pulverized coal plant.
Gasification is a very clean technology. It does produce, I'm convinced, the cleanest power you can get from coal.
We do have lots of coal resources in the U.S., and we're going to have to find a way to use those in a way which is environmentally sound. And I think gasification is the key to doing that.
Gasification is real. It offers solutions, it offers jobs, and it's an environmentally sensitive technology that provides protection beyond what federal standards require. It's very clean.
Gasification is a proven, versatile energy alternative that's ready now. With gasification, we can redefine how we use our resources and provide a cleaner, brighter future for all of us.